Hi, this is George at Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'll be taking you on a walk round of this stunning approved used Volkswagen Transporter T32 long wheelbase Kombi, presented here in Highline specification with the 150PS 2.0 TDI diesel engine and slick 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. And it comes finished in a metallic indium grey paint finish. Some of the key exterior features include the striking LED headlights which illuminate the road ahead in style and in all sorts of conditions, whilst it sits on the stylish 17-inch Devonport design alloy wheels, and it boasts folding, heated and electrically adjustable door mirrors for your convenience. Even though it's a Kombi, it still boasts a large and spacious cargo area with rubberised flooring as well as lashing rings, meaning it's suitable for all kinds of cargo, and the tailgate allows for easy access. And it also boasts electrically sliding doors on each side, leading to the rear row of 3 seats, which feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points so you can easily and safely secure child seats in the back, whilst there's also a sliding window on each side too. In the front interior, there's a grab handle for both your driver and passenger, the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel ahead of a semi-digital display for the driver, the touchscreen display in the middle, and the front 2 seats are comfortable and supportive thanks to the foldable armrests. The buttons on the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel allow you to easily set the adaptive cruise control and control the display ahead, where you can access useful information like the onboard computer and infotainment system. And in the centre there's a touchscreen display where you can access a range of useful features like the built-in navigation to guide you to your destination, as well as the DAB digital radio and external media connectivity, whilst there's telephone connectivity too, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can make the most out of apps optimised for use on the go, and with just a press of a button, the front and rear parking sensors come up on demand, which help to make those tight spaces that bit easier to manoeuvre. And just below there's the easy to use controls for the air conditioning and heated front seats, the slick automatic gear shifter, and there's a cup holder and a few charging ports so you can easily charge your devices whilst on the go. Thank you for watching this walk around video. If you're interested in this Kombi or would like to know more, please give us a call on the number listed below, or alternatively make an online inquiry now.